by brushing out my brow with this spoolie and my brows. And then I'm going to go in with this angled brush. And I'm going to be using this brow pomade by Salon Perfect. And this is in the shade dark brown. So I'm going to begin by, I'm going to start off in the middle. And I'm just going to start outlining my brow. Just going to do whatever shape you want. And then I'm just going to kind of fill in the bald spots that I haven't filled in. And I'm just going to dab just a little bit of times on the pomade. And then I'm going to attempt to do hairs. Just so it could just give you the illusion of hairs. Just like that. Because you don't really want it as dark in the center. And then I'm going to go with the spoolie and just brush it out just so it won't be that harsh. And then I'm going to go on with whatever concealer you have. I usually go with this one, but I'm kind of running out on it right now. So I'm going to try going in with this one or with this one, whatever concealer works. And then I'm going to go in with this brush right here. It's just a flat concealer brush. I mean clean up the edges. Kind of hard. So we're just going to clean up the edges. So just clean it. I'm going to go with a little bit more. So I think that's fine right there. And then just blend out whatever you applied. This is just a clear mascara, and then you're just going to comb out the little hairs if you even have hairs. Like that, and I think that's it. And this is the finished brow. So I hope you guys like it.